If you had to rate my voice out of 10, what you rating it?
I'm rating it, I'm gonna give you a
8 out of 10.
yeah, like a 3, 4.
I'll give you a 6.3.
7, 8.
7, 8, what you think?
Type shit, yeah.
A 7 or 8. Yeah, you cute.
You think it went up or went down?
It went up. I'll give you a 9.
I get 9?
Yeah.
That's good enough to get your number?
Yeah.
Oh, it's bad. Yeah, it's bad.
Driving on the curb, tryna bust a bird. Hit it to the third, tryna take it home. Stripes on my name, blood on my chrome. Boys play with toys, never drove for it. Why the hell you speaking on some shit you know he can't afford? I never rap about some shit.
YouTube. It's your boy Dan TV, man. We back at it again. Yeah, pull up. Which one back? Who's there? What up? What up?
What's good?
Who there?
Come on, Batman, take the picture.
Oh, what we doing? Bro, who's Jared did the intro? Well, for me, which one the baddest? Yo, Aaron, pull up. Yo, Aaron, which one the baddest? I can't really see.
Can't really see right now, neither.
I think none.
Come on now.
Which one the baddest?
Shit, none.
None. It's your boy Dan TV, man. We back at it again in another video. We downtown New Haven right now. Today's video, we're gonna be asking girls to rate me by the sound of my voice. And we're gonna see if they think I look good under the mask. Then we're gonna take the mask on and for me, see what they think about me. We're gonna see. I don't know if they're gonna call me cute, ugly, whatever. For me, we're gonna see. Make sure y'all like, comment, new to the page, subscribe. I got my boy TY behind the camera right now. I got Aaron in the car. He finally came outside. Why are you backing up? For me, make sure you like, comment, all that. We're gonna get back to y'all. We going. Alright, we back. Who we here with today?
Tiny.
Tiny. And who we here with?
Joe.
Huh?
Joe.
Joe. Where you from?
New Haven.
Where you from?
West Hills.
What's the say that? You got birthday fit? Okay. I got a couple questions for you. The first question, if you had to rate my voice out of 10, what you rating it?
I can't do that. I don't like boys.
You don't like boys?
No.
What about you? What you rate my voice out of 10?
Wait, rating who?
Rating my voice, if you had to.
7.5.
7.5? Yeah. Who we here with today?
Kima K.
Hey, where you from?
New Haven.
New Haven. How your night going so far?
I kind of just got out here and I'm too sober.
I got a couple questions today. You ready?
What's up?
First question, if you had to rate my voice out of 10, what you rating it? Based on my voice, what you think?
I give you like probably an 8. You gonna show your face?
Yeah. You think my face looks better or it look worse? What you think?
I don't think you sound ugly, so.
So you can match the 8?
Hopefully.
So 8 total, that's good.
Yeah, it's fine.
I'm gonna take it off. You wanna let me know if it went up or higher.
All right.
What you think? You think it went up or went down?
It went up.
It went up? So what?
I'll give you a 9.
I get 9?
Yeah.
That's good enough to get your number?
Yeah.
It is mad little. Why you got, where your phone at? Don't I already got shit?
Somebody. Yeah, you got. You should have both already. I did change mine. Didn't know what your hair looked like.
Alright, thank you. Appreciate you being here.
You're welcome. I'm too sober for this. You are warm.
Alright, so you think my voice match my face, or you think that it's my? You think I look cuter or ugly with the mask? Like,
What you mean?
like you think my face? You think my face looks better at 7.5? Or you think it's lower? What you think?
You probably look better.
Think so?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take it off. Oh shit. What you think? Think it went down or up?
You look better than the 7.5.
So what you giving it now?
Like a 8.5.
8.5?
Yeah.
That's good enough to get your number?
I don't give my number out.
Instagram? I'll take your gram. I'll take your gram. I'll put it What's up? I ain't seen you in a minute. You being weird. Yo, I gotta put it back on. When I get there. I bet. Sit up. Nice meeting you. West Hills finest. Sit up. Tiny. You want to talk to me? Huh? Nah. Alright, nice. Thank ya. Thank you. Huh? You look good. Both of y'all look good, but I have a good one. Before I start this interview, do you like black guys or not?
Like to sleep
You
with?
can find them attractive. Oh.
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, so look, who we here with today?
Brittany.
Brittany, where you from?
Hamden.
Hamden. What you like it so far out here? How the vibes on?
Vibes are good. Vibes are high. Line is getting real long.
Okay. So
Can't take you seriously with that mask.
I know. That's the point. But alright, so look, if you had to rate my voice out of 10, what would you give it?
Right, your voice?
How much voice?
I'll give you a 6.3. 6.3. It's kind of muffled by the mask.
I know.
It's alright. It's
So
alright.
you think my face natural, or you think I look good without the mask?
You're probably cuter. You're probably cuter.
Alright, so I'm gonna take it over and you're gonna let me know, alright?
Then I can rate you?
Yeah.
Alright.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm scared.
What you think?
Yeah, you cute.
What would you give me now out of 10? What you give me? What you give me?
7.9.
7.9? So that's basically an 8.
You get an 8.
That's good enough to get your Instagram number or something?
Yeah, why not?
Alright, I'll put it in the
You took it.
Who we here with today?
Aaliyah.
Aaliyah, where you from?
I'm from Bloomfield.
Bloomfield? So how you night going so far? Good?
Going good.
Good. I got a couple of questions for you. The first question, if you had to rate my voice out of 10, what you rating it?
An 8.
An 8? Alright, so you think my face matches the voice, or you think it's lower or higher? What you think? You think I look good without the mask? That's a real good one.
No. I'm gonna say no.
You think I
Because
look
voices
worse?
can be
You
deceiving.
think I look
so-
worse with the mask?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take it off and you're gonna let me know, alright?
Okay.
What you think? Think the rate went up or went down?
I think it's the same. I think it's
The same. Wait, what you said the rate was?
I said 8.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good. That's good enough to get your number. Instagram.
He's too young for me, but it's sure.
All right, this one.
Where's your phone?
Thank you. See, it wasn't that crazy.
You said you're 24?
Now I'm about to be 25. And he's saying
That's too young for me.
That's how you do it, young.
That's too young for me.
Cop cars.
You said what?
wait, what's he saying?
They try to end cop cars.
What are you talking about? Yeah, I need to.
24 is too young for me.
I'm about to be 25. What's you 26?
27.
I can take you all, do all that.
You're adolescents.
Right, he's young.
Have you know I'm no
I got
adolescent.
your Instagram. See you. Thank you for that big ass move.
Shit got like 8 letters, 10 letters.
Alright, fuck. Oh, excuse me. Y'all want me to quit YouTube it?
I could say that.
Wow. I know you want to be on one. Wait, what are you today? What is that?
I like your Raven costume.
Wait.
That Raven doing it. Why is she dragging you? Yo, why you on that, friend?
Don't be that friend in the group chat. I mean, wait, I said group chat.
Why Ravens was on? Bro, that's shite.
I wasn't even about to attack her.
Yo, did she just crash out real quick?
Yeah, like, what is she on? She was ready to. You want to ask her? You want to ask her right here?
No.
Let's just ask her for this. That's me. Wait, so how long you about to be here?
I'm only here for today and then I'm
So I gotta see you later?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, you
I gotta see you later?
See you when you see me.
See you when I see you.
Yeah.
Alright, nice meeting you. Kobe.
What's your name?
I'm Dave.
Nice to meet you.
How old are you?
I'm 24.
Oh, you 23? Oh, you? Nice, you look good.
Thank you.
You know
that? You want me in a YouTube vid? You want to be in a YouTube vid?
No.
What?
No.
You chilling?
I'm making sure y'all good.
This big sis.
All right, I got you.
All right, tell him slide. Bring him around. Big sis.
I got you.
Say that. You're not about to bring us no.
Be over there though.
Where? You want to slide with us? Slide with us.
I'm outside, but I need to go get some cookies.
No, right here. Coming out right now. Right now. Yo, dang, right here. Coming out. Right here. Right here. Oh, yeah. Excuse me. You want me in a quick YouTube video?
Oh no, sorry.
Hey, girl, you should say that. I can't. You know.
I'm flying it.
Shout out, gang. What's your name?
Nana, man.
Nana? Nana really outside. I got a question though. Who would you rate my boy right here out of 10?
I rate my boy 9 out of 10.
Oh, now you.
He gave me Travis Scott.
Now you gotta get it
Oh my God, that's one of my favorite artists in the game. Little Baby and Travis Scott. You heard? I stand for that. You heard?
Appreciate you.
Yeah, you already know that.
Okay. Say that. I know Odie really serving. Stop trying to play me like. Why you trying to play me in the video? Look how record that. I was doing the video? What y'all doing? Dabbing up tank? Let me take my mask off and do it.
You had it on. Yeah.
Oh, you doing with mask? Let me do it with the mask on. Act like you don't see me. Act like. Hey, friend, y'all want me to quick? I was just asking what you want. No.
Oh, it is one of those things.
If you had to pick out of all of us, if you had to pick, who would bring back to the crib out of all of us? Who would bring back to the crib? Be honest.
This is my fucking moment.
Even the cameraman.
I'm giving everybody up and down for real.
What about you? Who you bring back to the crib?
The one with the glasses.
Now you gotta get their numbers up.
Oh, it ain't really like that. Sorry.
My fault.
You're cute.
Thank you.
It ain't like that.
All right, man. Thank you for being here.
Yeah, no problem. Have a good night.
You said what you said? You said what?
If I was over here, you already know who we've been pointing at.
Say that.
I stay out of it, you heard? He got a car.
Who we here with today?
Lena. C. Bannies.
Who?
C. Bannies.
Bannies and Lena, where you from?
Here, New Haven.
Where you from?
New Haven.
I got a couple questions for y'all, right? First question, if you had to rate my voice out of 10, what you rating it?
Your voice?
Yeah, how my voice sounded?
Your voice sound like a YouTuber.
What's that? What?
Yeah, like a 3, 4.
Yeah. What you think? How my voice sounded out of 10?
Like a 6.
Yeah, I gotta see the face. I ain't even going. I ain't going for nothing.
Y'all think my face match the voice?
I don't know. I don't play games like
You
that.
think my face looks better than worse?
I don't know.
It looks better.
Your eyes.
I think you looked up to me with your mask.
Cap.
Did you?
It's different.
What you look like under your mask?
Do you think I look better or worse?
Do you think you look better under your mask?
Based on my voice.
Based on your voice, I don't know. You
Like,
like
you think I look cute or ugly without the mask?
you probably valid.
How are we supposed to know though? Let us see.
I'm gonna take it off. I don't know.
Why you doing that? You have to see your face.
What y'all think? I think the rate went up or not?
Oh, it's the same.
6,
7.
7,
Yeah.
6, 7. Great. I
You
guess.
30.
It's 30.
But you sturdy, you're gay.
What you mean?
Sturdy gay.
Come here, why you? Why did you hold that? You can't post it. I don't give a fuck. That's funny though. Post that, brother. Why they want us? Alright, who you with?
I'm here with Mia, Big Mia.
Yeah, where you from?
I'm from Bridgeport, Bridgeport, Connecticut.
How your day going? You good?
My nigga was good. Long as my nigga West. Big West.
Say that. Alright, so I got a couple questions. First question, if you had to rate my voice out of 10, what you rating it?
I can't hear you.
If you had to rate my voice out of 10, what you rating it?
10. Everything's 10.
You think my face matched the voice? What you think?
Everything's 10.
Alright, so I'm gonna take the mask off. You gonna let me know if you're not.
Alright, go ahead. Take the mask off.
you think? You think it match?
Oh, it matched.
It
Yeah,
matched?
it matched. Hold on.
It matched?
Hold on. Yeah, it matched.
What you say? You with your what? What you say? Come here. Hey, you with your man? You could be my number. That's good enough to get your number?
Yeah. Look at my Instagram. I don't get my number.
I don't got Instagram.
Unless they
Deactivated mine.
Deactivated.
Alright, I'll do it. Put my Instagram.
My phone dead though.
10 seconds, friend. 10 seconds.
Go to your notes. Hurry up. You lie. You're a liar.
Nah, this is my other account.
When's your birthday? You're a Cancer. You're a liar.
What was your name?
Mia. This ain't going.
Alright, nice meeting you. Alright, who are we here with today?
K-Nasty.
Hey, man. You got
STB.
Huh?
SCB.
I think you said STD.
Why you like
No, I can't hear the word. Alright, how y'all know you going to school?
It's just getting started.
Yeah, just getting started. So I got a couple questions. The first question, if you had to rate my voice out of 10, what y'all rating it?
9.
A 9? What you rating my voice out of 10?
6. I can't see your face.
Alright, so the next question, you think my face is gonna match the voice? You think it's higher or lower? What you think?
I haven't seen your face yet.
I'm saying, what you think based on the voice?
About normal.
About the same? No,
Average. I say average.
So you think it's gonna be like a 9, the same thing?
Yeah.
What you think? You think my face gonna be higher or lower?
Higher.
Higher?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take it over, y'all gotta let me know, okay? Stay still. You don't listen. What you think? Went up? Down?
It went up a tiny bit.
Tiny bit to what?
Tiny bit.
So what is it now?
To like an 8.
8. What about you? What you think?
It's cold as fuck.
Yeah, we just
9.
9. It's still 9. That's cool.
Yeah.
That's cool. 9.
That's a stare.
How old are you?
26.
26. Oh, you? That's good enough to get your number. Instagram. Son.
Instagram.
I'll take your Instagram. Where you from?
I'm from Florida.
You from Florida? What you mean? Okay. Federal. My fault. I mean, federal.
Cold.
For sure. Florida.
Yeah, but I moved here when I was like
Where you moved to? Where you moved to?
I moved here, Stratford, when I was 14.
Oh, you right? I live in Stratford too.
You followed yourself?
Yeah, I do. Alright, nice meeting. Thank you for being in the bed.
It's cold as fuck. It's cold.
Kayla and Deja.
Why are you playing?
Try
Try again.
Deja and Kayla.
Try again.
Oh shit. Oh.
You see my whole Instagram.
Huh? I didn't really look at it. Wait, take my Instagram too so you can see the bed.
Is somebody that will drive us to the club?
That's good Rihanna, I ain't gonna lie. Oh my god. Thirsty. See that? Toby! Oh wait, we didn't. Yo, Fern. Back there. I really wanted the one on the right, but for me it's cool. The one on the right. Dang. You can do that. No, I'm good. Wait, where's that? I didn't even put my number. Hold on.
Dean, that's your name?
Yeah, what's your name? Oh, Maya.
How old are you, sir?
I'm grown.
That don't sound like a promising age.
Shut the fuck up. You got the push up. Nice meeting you, bro. I need to do the thumbnail. We don't thumbnail.
Okay. What should I do?
This is gonna be the thumbnail. Huh?
Should be like,
Oh, you could do that.
Perfect.
That's I see that.
video is this?
That's the
She
video.
already
He vlogging.
What's the video?
Which one of y'all want to be in it? Oh, yeah? You do, and you do. Let me get the tea. I gotta get a video. Who we here today?
Naya. Tamia.
Yeah. How your night going so far? It's cool?
Good. It's chilling. Calm night.
Yeah. So I got a couple of questions. The first question.
You might answer one.
If you had to rate my voice out of 10, what you rating it?
Rating it? No, ma'am.
What you rating my voice out of 10?
Your voice? Like a 7, an 8?
7, 8. What you think?
Type shit, yeah.
So you think my face? You think my face matches the voice? Or you think it's higher or lower? What you think?
Your face?
Yeah.
It could go either way. You got the mask on. I don't know.
What you
I
think?
agree with her.
You think it's, so what you think? I look cute or ugly with the mask?
I don't know, sir.
If you had to pick,
I don't like the mask.
So you think?
You might have to take it off. You might have to take it off.
might have to take off the mask.
So I'm gonna let you. I'm gonna take off the mask and y'all gotta let me know if you want to.
I hope I don't scream.
I hope I don't scream. It's crazy.
Stop trying to play me. What up? Stop trying to play me. What you think? To break my number higher.
No, you good. Clear skin type shit. Let me see the nails.
That's good. I just got them down. What about you?
It matches.
So what? It's 7, 8. What that?
Yeah, you like an 8. Like
8. That's good enough to get your number. Instagram.
Nah.
What you just gave me Instagram? Cut the game. Take my Instagram.
Make it go viral.
Take my Instagram. I see I want to.
Take your shit.
I die. That's why I don't.
Low key. What is it?
Why are you trying to troll? She wasn't gonna follow me.
I'm not Hollywood. What is it?
I'm gonna put it in.
You the real Hollywood one. Nah, that ass, you the YouTuber. Prove your phone almost brought it out. I'll put money on it.
Oh, shit, got juice all of a sudden.
Oh, bro.
It's on 30. It's on 30. Whoa. So y'all both single? Oh, you got a man up.
Probably get it. I ain't not.
You single though.
You gotta bring me up, just bag it.
I already did.
Bag it.
Bag what? Why y'all laughing?
She said bag, but I really
Huh? Thank you. I don't like that mask. What's the battery at? Oh, that shit got 28? Oh, yeah, you good. Have a good night. Make that shit girl. I might subscribe. I might subscribe. 150 fuel. You know.
150. Stop doing that. The mic over here.
Put it Dave TV, man. Come on, man. Yeah.
Like,
Why you not
subscribe,
watching?
like, subscribe, comment, all that. If you're not tuned in, then what you doing?
My name Courtney. Hey, look. Here. New Haven.
You hear me?
Yeah.
All right, bet. How your night going? It's good?
It's going so far so good.
It's good. All right, I got a couple questions. I got a couple questions, right? If you had to rate my voice out of 10, what you rating it?
I'm rating it, I'm gonna give you an 8.5, because I think it's the mask stuff.
All right, bet.
Yeah, I'm feeling it.
So you think when I take the mask off, the rate up or is lower?
I don't know, it's a purge.
What you think?
I don't know.
What you think? So I'm gonna take it
I
off.
don't know, you know what I mean?
I'm gonna take it off. You gonna let me know?
Let me see.
All right, bet.
And I got really right here for real. You better not be ugly for real.
I don't think I'm.
For real.
I don't think I'm too.
Let me see. Okay, shake no dress.
What you think?
Oh, very handsome.
Think so?
Yeah.
So you think the rate is up? What you think?
I'm gonna give you 8.5.
8.5. So you saying? Ooh. It's good enough to get your Instagram number.
You know so great. You say, well, I don't even got an Instagram.
So I need your number, right? Some form of contact.
Or I just left it.
We can do that too. That's fine.
Look at that. I'm like, y'all nosy.
I put it in for him. I like the whole costume saga.
I was just bored. My friend.
That's creative. It's creative. She good. Halloween not yet. She gonna pop up with something.
But take your Instagram. Look, my Snapchat. I ain't got no Instagram or no Snapchat. I'm corny.
You're a little taller than me, but I don't really get out.
Hi, I'm a stallion. We go to the same side when we lay down. We go to the same side when we having sex. Get that on camera. Okay.
Hey!
You gotta get that on camera.
We litty. Alright, it's me.
Hey, nice to meet you.
Alright, I need to help with the taco.
You find me attractive?
Now you look
I know
good.
I'm cool, but like,
Now you look good. That don't mean I decline you.
period, exactly. Make sure you get that on camera.
Good. Nice meeting you.
Alright, see you later, boo.
I see it. Oh, she want me. Taco. Who we here with today?
Anya.
Anya?
Yep.
Where you from?
Here.
Here, man?
Yep.
I got a couple questions for you. The first question, what would you rate my voice out of 10? Like, based on with the mask. Just my voice, though. What you giving it out of 10?
Your voice is giving 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10?
Yeah.
So you think my face matched the, you think my face matched the voice? You think it's higher or lower? What you think?
I mean, I gotta see the voice of
I'm asking what you think, though, like before, based on the voice.
Like maybe, yeah.
So you think it's gonna stay the same?
Hopefully, I'm hoping.
8 good, though. That's cute.
Yeah, I'm hoping.
I'm gonna take it off.
Okay, I'm scared. Can I go behind you? Wait, you're going over there.
I bet. What you think? You think the face matched the voice or what?
Yeah.
It's 8?
Yeah.
It's good enough to get your Instagram number or something?
Oh. I forgot it was on video.
Huh?
I forgot it was on video.
You want me? I'll turn the camera up. Instagram sign. Huh? What we doing?
Like, the camera's not on though. It's definitely on.
He gonna cut it off. Nah, it's all now.
lying.
Alright, cut it off the camera, bro.
He's lying.
No, come on,
The way you're saying it is crazy.
I like your little costume. It's cute.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
I'm from New Haven. I never seen you before.
Hey, New Haven's big. You never know.
It's not that big.
But
From
you
New
never
Haven,
know.
though, for real?
Yeah.
You go to school already?
Yeah.
Where school you go to?
Southern.
Southern?
Yeah. Oh, I thought you were giving me
Anya, right? What's my name? You remember? I didn't even tell you.
Didn't tell me, yeah. Dame?
Yeah, Dame.
Dame, okay, nice
Dame
to meet you.
Anya?
Yes.
I bet. Sit up.